is rather hard to read. So if you have this available for your own viewing, you may want to look at it on your screen, because it's a little fuzzy, to be honest with you, on the projector. So this guy, it's a giant rectangle, and it's just a 9 by 12 rectangle. Okay, so I'm working from the outside in, and the easiest way to do that is to get lines, and it doesn't matter where they are. So I'm just going to get a line command, and I'm going to start somewhere. And I, of course, use ortho because I think it makes your life a lot easier. So again, it doesn't matter where you start, just pick line, click somewhere, and that's going to be your starting point, and I would turn on ortho at F8. And if you take a look at the bottom, you're going to notice that they tell you that it's 12 long. So I'm just going to point in the direction I want to go and type 12, enter. And that should give me a line, and depending on how much you zoom in or out, your line may look really short, but it is 12. And then again, I'm going to point in the direction I want to go. This time I want to go up, so I'm going to point up with the cursor, and I'm going to go 9. And then from there, I'm just going to go back around. I'm going to point in the direction. This time I'm going left, so 12. And of course, now I have my close command, or you can just click on the object snap, but that should give you this rectangle. Okay. I lose anybody? You should go home now if you did. So I'm drawing just this basic rectangle, and from here, this is where it gets, I don't want to say hard, but more complicated. We used offset on assignment 2. We did it for like one shape that we entered in a random size. So this is kind of where drawing on the previous knowledge gets a little fuzzy, because we did do it, we just didn't do it the same. So they tell you the distance between this thing is 0.138, and you could certainly go ahead and you could figure out the math on that and draw, you know, what you want to do. That'd be a huge pain, but we have this offset command for our use. If you remember, it's the bottom right hand corner of the modify tool palette, and I'm going to click it, and then it's going to say specify the offset distance. Well, this time I actually know the offset distance. It tells you that it's 0.138, and of course I'm going to hit enter. So I'm going to go 0.138, enter, and now it's going to ask me, remember this command line is giving me feedback. It says select the object you'd like to offset. Well, I'd like to offset these lines, so I'm going to click the line, and then I'm going to click inside. That's the important part. You can mess it up if you click on the wrong side. So I'm going to click inside, and I'm just going to click the next one, click inside, next one, click inside, next one, click inside. So I should get this. Yeah. Okay. So again, I'm going to click offset. I'm going to type in 0.138, enter, and I'm going to click on the object I want to offset and the direction I want to offset it to. So inside, click the line, click inside, click the line, click inside. So 4 times. Once you're done with that, you can just hit escape, and that will release you from the command. So I'll give you a minute to do that.